So this steering wheel was off of the 2005 Dodge Ram, which we get a lot of those in here, but I wanted to shoot a quick video on this one just to show you something a little bit different. This customer wanted it, of course, stripped and cleaned and reupholstered back to new, but he wanted to throw a little bit of a curveball, and so he wanted to go with a contrasting lime green baseball stitch. As you see, that just turned out really nice and adds a pop to his interior. Guess he's got that either on the outside of the truck or some inside accents. So this is going to really look good. It's going to make his Dodge Ram stand out a little bit from the rest out there. There are a lot of them out there. So we do a lot of Dodge Rams as well as all the other major truck lines, Toyota, Ford, Chevy, Jeep, all of them. And anything you need here at Craft Customs, we look forward to working with you. Visit us at craftcustoms.com, like this video and share it, and tell others about us so they know we're here and that we can help them out as well. As always, you're going to love what you get. We guarantee it.